So the process to find watch later videos on YouTube on your phone is quite easy and simple, and it is same for Android as well as iPhone. So simply open up your YouTube app, and once this is open, just go and tap on this profile icon at the right bottom corner. So as I have already told you that the process is the same for Android as well as iPhone. So once this opens up, this would open up your profile, and here in the playlist you can see the heading is playlist, and the first one is the liked videos and the second one is watch later. So you can see the watch later playlist is here. Just go and tap on it and it opens up. You can see the watch later videos. So hope by doing so you'll be able to find watch later videos on YouTube on your phone, either iPhone or Android. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.